day, this is Shane, and I am with Terry's Appliance here in London, Ontario. I'm relatively new to this YouTube and video recording thing. I'm hoping to eventually be able to edit this all together and make it look half decent. But today, what I'm thinking is I'm going to show you a little bit around the shop here, what we do recycling wise and what we have for appliance wise. Maybe show you a couple aspects, and we'll get you together with the idea of our contact information and everything else. I am the owner of this business. It's taken me about 8 years to get here, but we're trying to pack everything in, do as much as we possibly can, and hopefully serve the community. Okay, so we're back in the shop here. Take a look around. This is our office. We are a little 1 to 2 man operation here in London, Ontario. Watching videos and learning how to communicate with customers and people more appropriately. So, I mean, this is our repair area. As you can see, there's parts and everything all over the place. Needs a good cleaning, but unfortunately, I've been so busy I haven't had a chance, but we got a little bit of everything in here. Tool-wise, try to cover all the bases. We do take in, try to repair or recycle microwaves. As you can see, there's a next box. These are in the midst of being recycled. We're going to strip them for all the metals, separate them, try and get them into the recycling center, keep our landfills free as much as possible. Yeah, we got a little bit of wire here being separated. There's always brass and then separations between copper and aluminum wire. So that's our office here. As you can see, everything's set up. A little pay machine, more parts galore. So yeah, bear with me. This is going to be in and out. Like I said, I'm going to try and edit this together and make it look half decent. We are in a warehouse area, so I mean we have more and more appliances, different bins for different metals to make sure they're all separated before they go to the recycling centers. A little bit all the above. Special setups for special testing. I'm in the back of the warehouse. I do apologize if the lighting isn't the best, but we'll definitely try and move forward. Yeah, Samsung fridge ready to be recycled. I'm guessing it's only about 6 years old. Yeah, I don't see it on here, manufacturing number, but it might be a few years older than that. But unfortunately, it has quit. We do recycle air conditioners. Here we are back up and running. I had to make some space on my camera here. So yeah, we do have all sorts of used appliances for sale. In our case, 6-month warranty with all our used appliances. Quite a bit of inventory. This is actually still at a repair end. I'll take you down and show you our new and used appliance warehouse. Once again, more air conditioners to get recycled. Stoves waiting to be cleaned. Fridges that test out okay, need to be cleaned. Of course, more parts inventory. You never know. Hopefully we have just about everything we need. I mean, we're always, sure enough, somebody will come in and it'll be a part that we didn't decide to save or salvage, or one we've just gotten rid of. But yeah, all sorts of dryer, washers, fridges, of course, as many stove parts as we can try and collect, dishwasher parts in some cases, stove elements for old stoves, 2 stoves that need to be cleaned for the floor. And then, of course, as we go back further, we got a couple freezers in mid-repair. We do also sell, they are Comfort Air dehumidifiers. We got a 70 pint and a 50 pint. Prices, as you can see, they are more of a kind of a commercial quality, higher end. There we go. Sorry about the light in here. Hopefully that's a little bit better. We do have, these are brand new 12,000 BTU sleeve air conditioners. So they are not your average window shaker you can buy at Walmart for, you know, $100 or $200. They are a little bit more expensive. The 12,000 BTU sleeves are, we have them on sale right now for about $5.99. Regular price is $6.99. We also have This is what we call a Walmart 10,000 BTU sleeve air conditioner. However, a little bit of a different story with them. They are special order. Some people have sleeves in apartment buildings that are smaller. So of course something like this 12,000 BTU won't fit. But this one, I think it's 14.5 inches or something like that, whereas this one is 15 3/4, something of that nature. They are regular price $13.99 right now. We are selling them for $11.99. We do have 3 left in stock. So at this point, like I said before, hopefully I can edit this all together, make it look half decent. I am piecing it together in between customers and little hiccups here and there, of course. So I'll see what I can do later, and we'll see what we can do to get this on. Alright, so we're back, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of our new and used appliance area. So once again, we have our old antique GE fridge, ice box, I guess it were. Some appliances waiting to be tested and repaired, hopefully. Some of our used appliances. Let you take a gander at some of these. Once again, we do provide a 6-month warranty with all our used appliances. Do our best to look after as many customers as we can. I do test them rigorously and make sure everything's working up to snuff to the best of my abilities. We do have a row of 24-inch apartment size stoves there, all electric. We try to keep our inventory relatively new. There's some older ones that you know, we have tested, and they're built to last a lot longer than some of the newer stuff nowadays. Yeah, a little bit of just about everything. Commercial dryers, more commercial for residential use, as they call it. A few bar fridges. There is a 18-inch portable dishwasher. Wine coolers. These are brand new. These are CPAC units. They do your air conditioning in the summer, and they will actually switch over to heating in the winter time. Perfect for large garages. They are 240 volt electric. We do have some stuff that's in cases yet. Right here we have a over-the-range microwave, and that would be a gas cooktop. And of course some dishwashers and that in various sizes. Some of the new appliances, we have a brand here called Crosley. They are relatively good machines, priced pretty good. Some of our, I would say, lower end stock personally. And of course, GE portable dishwashers. Some more used stuff back in the back, both black. We got some stainless. Of course, we do have white around here. Some stuff, GE and Moffett, brand new, obviously. We do try to clean everything up that's used, make it look as decent as possible. Hopefully, get it close to brand new if at all possible. And we got our more black. Black is not a very common color. We do have some brand new chest freezers, 5 cube, 9 cube. 12 cube and 15 cube. They are brand new in stock. I believe they are Crosley. This is a handy little unit for a small bachelor pad. We have both the 30-inch and I believe this is a 36-inch. They got a little bar fridge, the cooktop, and they do attach so you can have your own little sink and then a storage cabinet in the bottom. We got a apartment size washing machine here. A couple stackers. They are a little bit older, but they have been tested and seem to be working all right. And then some more used appliances there for you. Fridges, stoves, a little bit of everything. We do have in crates. These are, I believe they're 20 cube or 22 cube chest freezers. Brand new. And of course, you know, there's a 12 cube fridge. All prices are always negotiable. It just depends on what you're looking for and everything else. But let's get into some of our newer inventory. This is a 24-inch electric GE stove, once again for apartments. I'll get around to some of the more high-end expensive things at the moment. GE gas range, high-end, all the bells and whistles we can find. And then there is back to Crosley gas stoves, in multiple colors. This is a Moffett washing machine. We are waiting on our order to have the match dryer. A little bit more of a cheaper builder trade appliance. And we do get into GE washers, mostly top loads. We don't recommend a lot of front load machines. They just don't seem to be built like the older appliances that aren't lasting as long. We do have some front loads, but we try to keep them more of a high-end, something that our customers are going to like, and we can put our back behind and say, hey, this is a good appliance. Black dishwasher, bottom mount fridge. Get back into some more appliances. These are all GE. Coil tops are getting a little harder to find nowadays. Everything seems to be a saran top. Side-by-side fridge. Another saran top. This is a 21 cube top mount fridge. A very uncommon appliance, but we brought it in because it's uncommon, and we've had a few people that need something. They want an 18 cube, but they want something that's just a little bit bigger. So this is the 21 cube. This is the 18 cube. Once again, another saran top stove. There's a white GE gas stove with the flame griddle. All the bells and whistles once again. I believe it's got convection and probably steam clean at this point. Yeah, it's got convection there. And then we got like a 16 cube brand new fridge. And then this is a upright freezer made by GE. I believe this one is the, I want to say it's a 17 cube. Yeah, 17 cubic foot puppy. It is an upright, of course. And then, of course, we have, as you've probably seen in the back here, we have a little bit of backup stock, few stoves, couple dryers, fridges. But what I'd like to get around to is the laundry centers. First of all, we have them right here. So we have, washer and dryer combos. This is a full-size electric unit. So the dryer is electric. The big 240 cord on that puppy. And then this one actually is an apartment size, so 24 inches wide. And I believe, I just want to double check, it is a gas dryer, not an electric dryer. And we have our dishwashers, of course. Get more into laundry. I was saying about front load machines. Now this is a Hipsch commercial quality front load machine. It's rigged up there with the Miele high end. They are, I think the washer is about $3,500. The dryer's about $1,100. But they are commercially built. They're made to last. They're the same units you'd see in a laundromat as far as I understand. So that's why they are a little more expensive, but they're going to last you quite a while. Then we have a GE, more of a high-end pair here. Both the washer and dryer, matching pair. Then we get into more of the Hipsch, the commercial units. Commercial quality, whatever you want to call them. Like this one is a Hipsch commercial front load or top load style, of course with the front door. A little confusing on that, but that is the dryer. Now the price on this one is $11.50. I want to say, that is for the electric version. So the gas one is probably about $100 more. Here is the commercial matching washer. They are list price right now is $1,500 plus your taxes, of course. But once again, I bought them for my wife last year, and she just loves them, and I know they're going to last because they're built that way. And then we do have the same version, only in coin-op for, property management. Get some of your tenants to pay you back for getting the washer. And I mean, they are, once again, a little more expensive, but you're going to get what you pay for, right? So, and then once again, we do have a little bit of, extra stock laying around, mostly dishwashers. There's a fridge down there, a couple vent hoods. So, I mean, that's a little bit of the appliances we have here for sale. Just taking a quick gander around here. And I will hopefully be adding to this, I don't know if you want to call it a vlog or appliance video or whatnot. I would like to, at some point, be able to get into some repairs and show you how I diagnose certain things, how I test certain things, how we can go ahead and repair certain things. But this here is another part of our repair office. Mostly we do our gas repairs and our washer dryer repairs in here. So we're set up once again. It is a little bit of a mess, but once again, I'm not having a lot of time to clean up after myself. Just with the rigorous of, trying to get everything done and work as hard as I can. And of course, we got a few stackers in here ready to be tested. A few washers that I'm going to see if they can't be repaired. If not, they can be recycled. A couple front load machines. We've had people drop them off and take a quick look. And if it's nothing major, we can usually test it and get it back out. And then, of course, washers, dryers. There's our gas line set up in the back. Sink set up with hoses so we can hook up multiple washers and test them all at once. So yeah, that is the long and the short of our repair center. I don't mean to over-mention it. I do plan on building on this site and building on my channel. Special thanks will go out to I Gaming for helping me get set up with a decent computer and teaching me the ropes of trying to get everything all up and running and hooking up with YouTube. And basically, I've gone from a 20-year-old computer that wouldn't do hardly anything at this point to a high-end video, so I can hook up with stuff on YouTube and get some videos out there. So if you like the video, definitely smash that subscribe button. Give me that thumbs up if you like. If not, give me the thumbs down. Give me a comment. Let me know how I can improve things. We're always changing. I'm always learning. Like I said at the beginning here, I am new to doing all this stuff, so anything I can know to kind of improve everything would be greatly appreciated. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to step out for a bit. I got to get some work done, but hopefully I'll get in touch with you a little closer here and we'll add some more to this video today. Thanks again, and we'll talk at you soon.